Hello and welcome back to our beta 50% video for Wizard, a kind of subscription type service that helps you figure out retirement accounts and optimizing and thinking actively about them, which we've noted to be a need. So with our beta, we want to add the functionality element to the subscription service website and enhance the content user experiences to make it better for the people that would be using this. So this is informed a little bit by our first round of usability testing with some people. And yeah, so the breakdown of the beta goals: develop the sign up process, functional buttons, which we covered last time a little bit, and then improving each page, implementing changes, and creating copy around the industry report, but then also some articles as well, and creating the process around email notification. With this specifically, we wanted to improve each page, specifically going off one of the specific goals that was more focused to go ahead and work on restructuring the kind of main user portal to give a clear experience there, which is something we also noted from talking to the people. All right, so let's get to it. In functionality, for this, we're going to assume that we have already logged in, which is true, and we've gone to the reports tab. So the main focus of this week for me ended up being creating this kind of visual portal that would help you kind of break down the monthly report into little bits, as opposed to where it was kind of this long scroll, and probably maybe get a little confused along the way. So we will kind of explore a little bit of that. So you can click into the 401k report section and you get to see the past month and then the current month to see, if you're following along, how would this have changed. And it also comes with this new addition of an interactive chart, which I think is really helpful to be able to hover and kind of connect those ideas. Okay, so the 20% there, where it was 15% last month, and kind of see that visual growth. So also noted here with little arrows, just to kind of make it just super clear that this is 401k only, and there's some guidance there. And hopefully we'll build out some resources specific to the 401ks and maybe link to some Learning Center content down here once we start fleshing that out. And then also navigation back to the user portal, which I think is really nice for them to be able to have the user portal be that home base. IRA report looks very, very similar. So sorry, my computer's lagging a little bit. But the IRA report is here, looks very similar. And because we have this set of 20 stocks that inform the IRA distribution, that Wizard 20 stocks, we also link it here as well. So one of the issues was it's not necessarily as clear to see that they're attached. So with this approach, we want to make sure they have direct access to that. So this is that element as well. We will hopefully boost and add some help there as well. But that would be the stock reports tab. Then market reports, just that general overview. Ask the Wiz is kind of a little page where you can see a question in email field to submit it and kind of get direct feedback if you can't figure something else out about the report and you can't find it on the Learning Center, which we hope will not be the case. But the final Retirement 101, right now we're going to bulk it up, but right now it is just a link to the Learning Center itself. Yes, and so the other thing we've done this round is kind of build out some of the intro content. You can go back and change it, but just to get some fundamentals into the writing here, we have built this out a little bit, and we're having some issues with the application allowing you to actually read. So I'm going to bring you in very quickly to do a little scan of the sections in the behind the scenes area. Pretty short articles, but it's informative basic content. 401ks, understanding IRAs, and understanding ETFs. So, yeah, thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the changes we have made so far in the reports tab to add that element of navigation and just clarity. So, thank you.